Coach Willis here. It is a long putting exercise with topspin and positional shot for the black ball. Aiming putting. If you want to put balls like this consistently, you got to stand behind the line, choke your tip, make your shot approach, center cue ball aiming. Cue action, cueing. Smooth feathers, backswing with acceleration, smooth cue delivery, stay still. Post-shot analysis. Why I missed the ball, why I putted the ball, where was a mistake, aiming or cue actions. I gave you a structure on how to improve technique. Now apply it and use it to your advantage. Until next time.
Snooker Basics video course is a snooker training material to help you transform your snooker game and take to another level. Improve aiming, overall technique, cue ball control, rest play, snooker escapes and make proper snookers. Interested? If yes, so don't wait and order a Snooker Basics video course today.